Today, as solar energy continues to power the world toward a sustainable future, a new generation of photovoltaic technology has rapidly emerged. The bifacial solar panel, also known as the double-glass photovoltaic module. Unlike conventional single-glass panels, bifacial modules generate power on both the front and back surfaces, providing higher efficiency, longer lifespan, and greater durability. Because of these advantages, bifacial panels are being installed worldwide on a massive scale. But while they help us reduce carbon emissions today, in the future, millions of these panels will eventually reach the end of their service life. This raises a crucial question. How do we recycle bifacial solar panels safely, efficiently, and profitably? At HENAN Recycle, also known as SUNY Group, we have developed a next-generation bifacial solar panel recycling line. This complete plant is designed to handle large volumes of end-of-life panels using purely mechanical and physical processes, no chemicals, no secondary pollution, ensuring maximum recovery and sustainable operation. The journey begins with double-shaft pre-shredder, which breaks down the solar panels into manageable pieces. Immediately after shredding, a vibrating screen classifies the material by size, preparing it for the next stage. The partially processed panels then enter the second double-shaft shredder, where they are further reduced and liberated from their laminated layers. A second vibrating screen continues the size separation, ensuring that materials move smoothly through the line. Next comes the vertical crusher, a powerful unit that finally crushes the mixed materials, freeing glass fragments, copper ribbons, plastics, and silicon particles from one another. The third vibrating screen provides another layer of classification, delivering uniform particle sizes to the downstream separation systems. At this stage, different separation technologies are applied. A belt magnetic separator removes ferrous metals, such as small screws or steel pieces. An eddy current separator efficiently extracts the aluminum frames, even from shredded fractions, with high precision. Following that, the material goes through a knife mill crusher, which ensures further size reduction and optimal liberation for the valuable fractions. The line then enters the milling system with circular vibrating screen, which grinds materials into fine powders while recirculating oversized particles for further processing. An airflow separator plays a crucial role here, separating and collecting copper from the crushed material, which is one of the most valuable outputs in solar panel recycling. To ensure nothing is wasted, the process continues with a circular vibrating separator, which separates plastics, silicon powder, and other fine residues. These fractions can be reused in different industries, from polymer recycling to silicon refining. Finally, to maintain a clean and safe working environment, the system is equipped with a cyclone dust collector and a pulse dust collector. These advanced dust control systems capture fine particles, guaranteeing that the plant operates under strict environmental standards. The result of this highly automated process is the efficient recovery of glass, copper, aluminum, plastics, and silicon powder, all separated with high purity and ready for reuse. This not only prevents valuable materials from being wasted, but also supports the circular economy of the solar industry, turning what was once considered waste into a resource for the future. At HENAN Recycle, we are proud to contribute to this vision. Our bifacial solar panel recycling line represents the most advanced solution on the market, combining safety, efficiency, and sustainability. Together, we can ensure that renewable energy remains truly renewable, not only when panels are generating electricity, but also when they reach the end of their life. Recycling is not just the final step. It is the bridge to a greener, more sustainable tomorrow.